I have something impressive to show you. This custom-built home is just steps away from the Niagara Escarpment. This 60s home has a modern contemporary design with many renovations that seamlessly blend in. Off the kitchen, we have two large living spaces with 3 walkout patio doors to a backyard with a large deck, hot tub, and a large pool. This room has built-in storage for a ton of space. We also have a partially finished basement with a ton of space and high ceilings. Upstairs, we have 4 bedrooms, with the primary having a walkout deck overlooking the pool. This home is incredible. To top it off, this cottage-like home is in a private neighborhood on the escarpment, close to everything you need.